Pupunta ba kayo ng Seoul and naghahanap kayo ng hotel na good for families, malinis, and malapit sa Myeongdong? Then panoorin nyo itong video na ito. So this hotel ay located sa likod lang ng Lotte Department Store. Few minutes walk lang to the nearest train station. 10-minute walk lang din nasa Myeongdong Shopping Street ka na and Myeongdong Cathedral. May 7-Eleven and cafe mismo sa baba. So this hotel is Hotel Thomas Myeongdong. So we got the family twin room, good for 3 packs, and bigyan ko kayo ng room tour. Meron tayong electric kettle, safety deposit box, hotel sleepers. So here's our toilet and bath. Sobrang linis din. Our toilet ay may automatic na bidet. Here's the lavatory, fresh towels, hair dryer, and malinis din ang shower area na complete with toiletries. So ito naman yung room natin. Meron tayong dalawang beds, one double bed and one single bed. We have telephone here, tissue box, mini ref, electric sockets, and multi-charge cables. Meron din tayong mini working area and a TV. So nabook namin ito for 6,800 pesos per night or 2,300 pesos per person. So pwede nyo palang mabook ito sa Klook or sa Agoda. Ilalagay ko yung mga promo codes ko dito sa screen para makakuha pa kayo ng extra discounts. So that's it for this vlog and I hope you enjoy your Seoul, South Korea trip. Bye!